Are you tired of tickets getting stuck because you can't find how to change status? Learn the exact clicks to update any Jira status instantly. Here's what we're going to do. I'll show you the quickest way to change status on any ticket. We'll open your project, select a ticket, and pick the right status. It's simpler than you think. So first things first, let's get into your Jira account. Go ahead and log in and land on your main dashboard. This is where all your projects live, and it's the starting point for everything we're about to do.
You'll see a panel on the left side of your screen. Now, from that left side panel, you want to open your Jira project. It'll be listed there by name. In this case, we're working with a Kanban board, but it works the same for any project type. Just click on the project name to open it up. You'll see your board or your list view, depending on how you have it set up. And here's the really important part. Once your project is open, you'll see a list of your tickets.
To change a status, you first need to select the ticket. Click on the checkbox next to the ticket or task you want to update. This is a common spot where people get tripped up. They try to click on the ticket title itself, and that opens the detail view, which is a different path. Just click the checkbox. You'll see it get highlighted, and that's your confirmation. With that ticket selected, look down to the bottom of your screen. You'll see an action bar appear, and in that bar, there is a button labeled Change Status.
Click on that. Now this is where the magic happens. A drop-down will appear with all the available statuses for your workflow. Notice it doesn't show every status in the universe. It only shows the statuses that make sense for where your ticket is right now. You might see options like To Do, In Progress, Test, or Done, depending on your project setup. Let's walk through a few examples. If you need to start fresh on a task, select the To Do status. This is great for when a new task comes in or something is reset for a second pass. Now, if you're actively working on something, you'll want to select In Progress. This one tells everyone on the team that you are the one handling it right now. In my experience, keeping this updated is the single best habit for team transparency. Next up, Test. This status is perfect for when you've finished your work and you need someone to verify it. It signals that the task is complete from your side, but needs a quality check. And finally, Done. This is the finish line. Select this when everything is wrapped up, tested, and approved. It removes the ticket from the active workflow and lets everyone know it's complete. So whether you choose To Do, In Progress, Test, or Done, the process is exactly the same. Click that drop-down, pick your status, and you're all set. That's really all there is to it. You can now move any ticket through its workflow in just a few seconds. No more getting stuck hunting for a button that seems to hide. Just select, change, and go. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking!